Hi guys, welcome back to HTML tutorials. And in this tutorial we are going to be talking about, actually it's a 10th video tutorial for HTML. And in this tutorial we are going to be talking about quotations and citation elements. Now elements that are used to quote text and cite text. Now the Q tag defines a short quotation. Well, there's what we call block quotes is used for long quotation. Now we are going to be looking at that. We are going to be checking that out in a moment. Now let's, for example, if I have a paragraph, this is this okay, let me remove this bold tags and let me use Q, just Q. Yeah, no, okay, let me just use Q, close it. Okay, please, I'm gonna be fast a bit. This is a quote, it's small quotes in this paragraph. This is a new paragraph. Sorry, I didn't go to school. So most of the spellings I might not get it right actually. So let's check this out. And you see it has appended or added the quotation mark to this content that is enclosed with Q. You've seen that? You've seen that? Okay. Now let's check the next one, which is block quote we are talking about when we use it to define um, a quoted section of a paragraph. Now let's check that out in a moment. Let's check that out now, as a matter of fact. Now let's do this P, let's put it in the paragraph and then close it. It will be better if you always open and close your paragraph before, or your tag before you write something in between. Okay. Now here, let's say here is a quote from our famous preacher of a famous elite, any whatever it is, but I just want you guys to understand something. I might not be what can be anything actually. Okay, now let's check this out. After that, you block quotes, open, let's take that to the next line, and let's close, block quote, close that. Okay, let's write something here. Okay, let me use from WWF's website, from WWF's website. Okay, now in the block code, now let's write something. Okay, now let's check this out. Let's see. Now we are going to use an attribute called Cite to give value to the worldwide life, worldwidelife.com. I just say .com actually. Now after that, I can just say, is it .com or .org? It should be .org. Okay. Now the the world's leading conservation organization. I'm just trying to read somewhere. Conversation organization, WWF, works in 100 countries. Works in 100 countries. Now let me just copy this and paste at least. Let's try to check that in the browser and see what's gonna happen. Yeah. Okay, now you can see this. You can see the first one is a paragraph. Now the next one, the second side, yeah, is a quote. Now this quote has been indented by the browser because of the quote tag telling the browser it's a quote and it should be different from the paragraph, and it's been indented now. See, it's been indented now. Actually, it was supposed to, had it been there was no quotes, like quote block quotes, now it would have started. Yeah, it would have started here. It would have started here actually, but now the browser indented it. Like what I told you, we use tags, HTML tags to define or probably to structure the website. Now, because of that code, the browser has identified it and gives it a value. Understand? Or probably by indenting it to tell the user, probably someone that is reading it, that this is actually different from the main paragraph. This should be a quote actually. So you can also use, you can, when you're doing, when we'll be doing CSS, I will show you how you can probably give it a division where it will make it different, look different from the main paragraph. Probably if we have a line here and we have a line here, and the color of the quotes, yeah, some like this. Now we'll try to make it different from every other stuff content. Okay, now let's move to the next one, which is abbreviation. Now abbreviation, now for example, abbreviation defines the abbreviation or an acronym. Marking abbreviations can give useful information to browser, translation systems, and search engine. Now we can use marking abbreviation can give useful information to browsers and search engines. So for example, if we have let's for example check this out. P, put in the paragraph the ABR, sorry, ABBR, that's what it is. Now the attribute title is equal to this World Health Organization, World Health Organization, World Health Organization, which is, whoa, this should be in between the okay, was founded in 1948. Okay, alright, now let's check that out in the browser. Okay, this is a paragraph p tag, this is inside the paragraph. Now this is abbreviation tag. Now this is the opening tag. Now in the opening tag we give it an attribute called title. Now this title tells us that in this abbreviation this is the meaning. Okay, now alright, now let's check that out in the browser. Okay, see this. Okay, you can see the World Health Organization, this has been underlined with the dotted line. Now when you take your browser down here to probably when you hover your browser on it, is gonna a tooltip will come up showing you, telling you the meaning or the acronym for um whatever the meaning of the World Health Organization, WHO. You can see that. Okay, now just as simple as that. So let me check my time first and see how many minutes remaining. Oh, I have like 4 minutes. Okay, now I'll be fast. Now another one we're going to be talking about now is an address tag for contact information. Now it defines the contact information of a document or an article. The address element is usually displayed in italics, and most browsers will add a line break before and after the element. So let's check that out. So now, for example, if I have an example of an address, let's just address, close it. Let's close it. Address. Most of these tags we are seeing now were not there in HTML4, HTML 2.1 stuff. Most of them are just new to the system, to the system we're talking about. So now written by, for example, by Kingsley. That's my name. Most of you don't know my name. You can check my channel. The channel, you when you read about when you read some information about me, you're gonna see that my name is Kingsley actually. Okay, visit us at br, let's just say reallink.com .ng. That's actually my website. So br. Okay, now let's just say box 156 Lagos. That's not my address though. Before you start before you go and look for me there. Okay, all right, now let's say Nigeria. Let's see that. Now this is the address tag. Now everything that comes between here, the browser will try to define it as an address. Okay, now you've seen this, it's cool, right? Now it's been italicized automatically. That's how it's supposed to be, and using the address tag will make your content look like this. Okay, all right, now let's check this one. Wow. Cite. Cite tag defines the title of a work. Now it defines the title of the work. Now let's check it out. Let me be fast anyway. P, put it in the paragraph. P. Okay. SITE. The scream. The mortgage. By Edward Munch. Paint written in 1980. Let's check that out. Okay, you've seen that the mortgage here is bit italicized, telling you, trying to tell the user that that is the title of the book. Now the last one we are supposed to be talking about, if I still have time, sorry, I don't have time. Okay, now we're gonna stop this here and we're gonna continue in the next video. I'm gonna continue before we go to the next one. Okay, all right, now see you in the next